The Pitbull is a breed of dog that, if properly trained, can be a loyal and loving pet.
Unfortunately, the way many talk about the race has contributed to a misunderstanding. So, break your prejudices from now on.
The Pitbull is not dangerous, much less bad. The Pitbull with children, strangers and other animals, it may seem like a lie, but Pitbulls can get along very well with children and even become inseparable friends.
This kind of very friendly and protective attitude can often lead to jealousy. The Pitbull is loyal to its family, but with stranger.
Features: the Pitbull is a medium-sized, strong and extremely muscular dog. The life expectancy of such a dog can be 12 to 13 years.
It can reach a height of up to 53 centimeters and a body weight of up to 30 kilograms, and males are significantly heavier and larger. Pitbull collars: almost all color choices are included in the Pitbull breed standard, with the exception of Merle, a sort of bluish gray, and Albino.
These are the main colors of the Pitbull breed. Black, white, tabby, red, brown, gray. The muzzle can be any color, most often black and red. The classic Pitbull.